Not all cheeseburgers are created equal. You got the bun, the patty, the cheese, it all matters. And Amy Richardson joins me on the plaza to share a burger lineup that is just fantastic. Now, let me just ask you, Burger Bar, is this what we're doing anytime we have burgers at your house?
Well, you know me. I mean, maybe so.
Maybe so. I would,
especially tonight.
Yeah, I would guess a yes on that one. So let's talk about prime rib. We talked about you're using prime rib. How important do you feel like that is to use just like a really good meat?
Well, I think that this whole setup that I have and burgers right now it's important to do or fun to do all high quality ingredients, something really to level up the flavors. I mean, we don't have to be all crazy and doing all this stuff now, but the meat really makes a difference. So this is prime rib, but you could also do steak burgers, and those are good. And I think a lot of times we think, oh, I need to be healthy, but what really makes a good burger is the fat.
If we're going to do a burger, let's do a burger.
That's right. We got to make it really yummy. And this is kind of just basic ingredients, but how you put it together is what makes it delicious.
Let's talk about that, the technique. I know there's kind of a debate between grill or griddle. Which side do you fall?
Okay, so I was with my brother, and he has this vintage oven stove.
Okay.
And it's got a griddle in the middle, and he's doing the burgers on it. I'm like, why? I just stopped by, and I'm like, why are you doing that?
That's like
instead
from my
of the
childhood.
Grill?
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Exactly. And this is it's a really cool one. It's like from the 50s. Anyways, he said he went to this famous restaurant in the South, and the guy told him this is how you make the best burger, and it's on a griddle.
Okay.
And it has such a different flavor to it. Well, one thing is is how you cook it.
Yeah, show me.
So, okay, so this actually is a really great solo stove that you can do outside, which is really fun for summer. And it comes, you can buy a griddle top on it, which is wonderful.
Wow.
And it's portable, it can go anywhere. But this is the griddle top, and then how you do it, and this is the technique, is you take it and you put down each corner like that. And that is what ends up making the burger cook really beautiful and even.
And that doesn't make it hard to get that center all the way done?
No, in fact, it's what, you know how sometimes when you cook on the grill, it makes like a little hockey puck?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so the difference too also when you do grill versus griddle is that you can actually, you want to smash the burger, and that's what is going to make it really juicy and wonderful. When you do it on a grill, that's the worst thing you could do because you want to try and keep all that juices and moisture inside.
So interesting. Okay, and are we going to talk about the raclette right now? Because
we're
this
here
is
and we
something
can.
that is so new and fresh that you're doing. I love raclette, melted cheese.
Right.
But you're adding it to a burger.
Right. Well, you know, like some people are like, what is raclette? And it basically is just melted cheese. Like in New York City, they have restaurants where they just go around with a big brick and a hot knife, and they just slide it right onto whatever it is you're eating, a pasta.
Fireside dining up at Deer Valley does it. It's delicious.
So I thought it would be kind of fun to do it on your grill. So you just put a block of cheese on it, and you just melt it while you're cooking your burger.
And you just did it on that spatula?
On this spatula.
Okay.
This spatula I got at Walmart. I'm rediscovering Walmart.
Yay.
And I thought this one was wonderful because it has an edge on the side. So if you need to like kind of hold your ingredients up or your cheese up. And then what you're going to do is once your burger is cooked, you're just going to pour your melted cheese over the top, slide it down.
Instead of melting it on the burger, you're melting the cheese, then pouring
it on the burger. And then I think that that's just kind of something fun and different. I mean, talk about delicious.
So delicious. And do you notice a difference in taste at all, or like how juicy it is doing it this way?
Definitely the griddle makes your burger juicy.
Okay.
I mean, it is so good. And the prime rib has the best flavor, and it just kind of crumbles in your mouth. It is so good.
Okay.
It's really, really good. And then I think adding the melted cheese on top just takes it up another level.
And talking about going up another level, let's talk toppings, because a lot of people will say a burger's a burger, it's all about the toppings. I think you've shown us that maybe isn't the case, but let's talk about toppings.
Well, I thought it was kind of fun to use some of these fresh ingredients that were a little bit different. So there are these brown tomatoes. I think that they're just beautiful, and they have such a good flavor. I think those are wonderful. I think microgreens are fun for a different type of a lettuce on your burger. And of course, I love just Tillamook cheese. It's such a good melting cheese. I'm from the Northwest.
Is this what you use for that raclette?
Mm-hmm. Okay. And it just melts wonderful. Just get a good melting cheese. But then I thought it was kind of fun to, I found these at the store too, Walmart once again, and kind of up a level on your ingredients. We've got the German horseradish, black pepper ketchup, Jack Daniel's, barbecue sauce, the French mustard, and fresh pickles that come from the refrigeration. Just section in that.
What's the difference with that?
They're so crisp and so fresh. If you
Okay.
like pickles, you've got to try them. They're so good. And but if you wanted to take any of these and kind of up it a level, you could just whisk a little bit of sour cream into any of these ingredients here.
Sour cream?
Sour cream. Yep. If
Okay,
you
I
wanna
love that
just
tip.
Have it just be a little bit different. serve
And
it up
what
with
about
some
the
sour
bun?
cream.
Sometimes it's all about the bun.
The buns. I like these. You can do brioche, you could do Hawaiian, but I just love a classic bun. It's a flour potato roll, so soft and yummy, and then you just put it on the grill and just grill them up.
And do you like to have kind of all the toppings out, let people choose their own?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I think that those are the things that make people happy, is to make their own.
Yes.
How they like it.
But you
know.
can say, tell me if you want cheese, because I will melt it for you and pour it on.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, so for more of your fabulous ideas, where do people go?
Come to Great Taste Buds. You can follow me, Amy Richardson, and lots of fun ideas. This will be great for all summer, for the 24th, or whatever you want to do.
So fun for the 24th. I love it. Thank you, Amy.
Thank you.